Hi guys, hi everybody who's watching this video right now. You know, today is the perfect day because today you will discover how you could make $25 fast just for the one post on the Facebook. Incredible, guys.
Yeah, so watch me.
Okay guys, so you know today is the really great day for you because today you will find out how you could make money just by simple making the posts on the Facebook. And I know that everybody was searching for this kind of the opportunities because a lot of the African countries, a lot of the Arabic countries, they searching for some simple opportunities where they must make some simple things, and from that they will get the money. And we have for you the incredible opportunity. What you must do, like I said, it's making the posts on the Facebook, but quality posts with the special links from the company. Because if you do just the simple posts from your head that you imagine something, yeah, and you just post on the Facebook, nobody will pay for you for this. Yeah, it's obviously. But if you will make the posts quality with the special links, you will receive the money. And this is that what everybody was searching for. So guys, I don't want to talk too much. I want to show you how you could make money, how you could make $25 fast just by making the posts on the Facebook. So first of all, you must make the registration in the company. In the description you will find the link join the business right now, and just open this link in the description and make the registration. Registration is absolutely free for the more than 200 countries. It's didn't require any special skills or knowledge, just a simple registration. You provide your name, Gmail address, some information about you, mobile phone, and just click next and everything will be ready. And you will receive your personal online store from where you can share the information to the people, from where you can just tell the people what you have right now. You have the online store, you have the products, and making the posts. Right now you see on your screen our group, guys, our group where I teach the people exactly what they must to do, how to make the money in our company, some tips and tricks, and also many webinars explaining the people in the details what they must to do exactly. And this is really works. If you still didn't exist in this group, so first of all you must make the registration, and after that send the request to our group in the Facebook, and you will receive all the knowledge for free. 2 or 3 times in the week I'm doing the webinars for the people, for my partners, and teach them how to make the money faster. So what you must do exactly, you made the registration, right? Perfect. Right now you have the online store. You see right now on your screen. This is the example of the online store which you will have exactly. I made it just to show you what you will have when you will make the registration. And right now you have the special links which you must share with the people, and once you will share the links to the people with the posts, you can receive the commissions. So you see right now in the bottom, guys, you have the 3 links, but you must share only these 2. The first link which call it Be Epic Builder, it's for that kind of the people who wants to start the business. And when you share this link to the people, you can find the kind of the person who wants to work with you. And when somebody will get the product through your link, you will receive the commission straight, $25 fast, and even more than $25, because here is depend of the prices of the product, because we have the incredible product in this company, and basically it's like affiliate marketing. When somebody will go through your link and get in the product, you will receive the commissions because you recommend this product for the people. And I know that a lot of the people, they require it, some kind of the products what we have, because our products is unique, and a lot of the people, they're really excited. And even me, I get in this kind of the products every single month. Every month I get in the 1 pack of the product like Elevate or the Accelerate, guys. And I want to tell you honestly that this product is really excited because it works. Right now I feel more energy, I feel that I can lift more weights, and also we have the project Elevated Power where everybody can join. Basically all the links you can find in the description, guys. So as I said, you have the two links. One of this is called Be Epic Builder, another one is called Bepic Elevate. So you can share the Bepic Elevate to the people just with the posts about the product, and explain them what the ingredients in this product, how this work, what the people can get, what kind of the result. And when somebody will go through your link and getting this product, so you will receive commissions straight. Yeah, it's incredible. For the how to make actually 25 US dollar, right? How to make by the post. You making the posts on the Facebook. You see right now, yeah? The Facebook. You making the post from the your back office to the Facebook. And when somebody will go through your link, and after that he will go to your online store, to your personal online store, he will get the product for himself, you will receive the commissions straight. 25 US dollar, guys. Yeah, it's really amazing. You will receive the 25 US dollar just for the one order. The person, he will get in the product directly to his home, and you will receive the money to your account, which you can withdraw to your bank, which you can withdraw to your credit card, and it's worked for the more than 200 countries. So what can be more incredible, guys? Here in this company, you just share the information about the products, you just making the posts on the Facebook with your links, telling the people about this opportunity, telling the people about what this product can give them, and making the money from this. It's really incredible, because right now in the 2018 we have this kind of the opportunity. And for me, I work in here from the 23rd of August 2017, guys, and still I'm here, you know, because some of the people told me you will leave this business because this is not real or something like this. No, guys, it's real, because I know the Eric Caprese, I know the Larry Lane, I know the people who work in here a long time, and this opportunity is more than legit for the everybody. So you can be confident on the 100% that nobody will be bad for you. Yeah, like nothing will happen, only the positive things will happen here, because a lot of the people, they making the great money every single day, and a lot of the people, they already bought the cars, a lot of the people, they start to find the financial freedom because they making the money, you know, like every single day for the posts he making the money. And the European people, United States of America, Russia, a lot of the people, they really excited because this simple opportunity which works on the 100%. Also, guys, you can anytime contact me by the WhatsApp, by the Viber, by the even the Facebook, because I'm every time here 24 hours a day, 7 days in a week to help my partners, because in this business we're really interested to help each other, because these structures was created like this. If you helping your partners, so you also making the money. And this is really incredible, because I didn't saw before some kind of the opportunities like this. And if you go into some company, for example, if you just go into the job, nobody will be interested that you could make the good money, right? Because if you go into some factory, yeah, for the some things which you're working from the 6 till 8 or from the 7 till 9 or something like this, I don't know, the different kind of the graphics, but nobody will be interested. Nobody will gonna interested that you will make the money, right? Only you will be interested. Yeah, you must make the money for your family, for your kids. And here in this company which I propose for you, everybody interested in your success, because your success means our success. If the people making the money, if your partners will making the money here in this business, so you will make more money, because we working like the one global team. And all of this, I'm, like I said, teaching the people in our group which call it Road to Success on the Facebook. You can just make the registration in the company, after that send the request, and I will accept you guys. I will accept you, everybody who wants to start to make the money here, because the company was created for helping the people, to grow from the bottom to the top. And you know, this is the big chance for that kind of the people who wants to start to make the real business from home with the minimum investment. Start to make real money, every single day, and find that in the life what they want. Alright, guys, so I hope right now everybody's understand how to make the money, 25 US dollar fast, just by simple making the posts on the Facebook. If you didn't understand something, you can anytime contact me by the WhatsApp, by the Skype, by the Viber, any method which you want. Also, guys, don't forget to ask the question in the comments, don't forget to put your comments, don't forget to put the like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you didn't subscribe yet, because here we upload only useful information, that information which can help to the people to grow the business, just to make them more money and just to get that what they want. Guys, it was Team Wider. I hope everything was great today, and I will see you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the ninth inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here on screen. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I'll get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit